History and Evolution of Artificial Intelligence. A Journey Through AI's Development and Impact. By LearnSyte. Early Beginnings, Antiquity to 1940s. Mythological Origins. Legends like Talos, a giant bronze automaton from Greek mythology, and the golem from Jewish tradition reveal humanity's early fascination with artificial beings. Mathematical Foundations. Medieval scholar Al-Khwarizmi and philosopher Leibniz contributed key ideas shaping algorithmic thinking and computable functions well before modern computers. Alan Turing's vision. In 1936, Turing proposed the abstract Turing machine, providing a theoretical model for computation and posing the question, can machines think? Birth of Artificial Intelligence, 1950s to 1970s. Dartmouth Conference. The 1956 meeting led by McCarthy and colleagues officially coined the term artificial intelligence, marking the birth of AI as a formal scientific field. Early AI programs. Landmark software like Logic Theorist automated theorem proving, while ELIZA demonstrated rudimentary conversational simulation. Symbolic AI optimism. Early excitement fueled investment in symbolic AI, leveraging logic and knowledge representation to mimic human reasoning. AI winters and renewed efforts, 1970s to 1990s. Cycles of optimism and setbacks. AI winters resulted from unmet expectations, causing funding cuts and slowed research during these decades. Despite challenges, expert systems like Mycin demonstrated practical rules-based applications in medicine. Emergence of machine learning. The 1980s saw the revival of neural networks with backpropagation, reinvigorating AI research towards learning from data. Progress in robotics and speech recognition began at leading universities such as Carnegie Mellon. Rise of modern AI, 1990s to 2010s. Deep Blue's triumph. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated the reigning chess champion Kasparov, showcasing computational strategic power. Algorithmic advances. Introduction of techniques like support vector machines and boosting transformed pattern recognition capabilities. AI enters daily life. Devices such as Siri launched in 2011, while services like Google Translate brought AI-powered functionalities to the masses. Current era and future trends, 2010s to present. Deep learning and generative AI. Models like GPT and DALL-E have revolutionized language understanding and image generation, driving innovation in AI capabilities. Natural language processing. Advances enable sophisticated chatbots and search engines, reshaping human-computer interaction. Industry applications and ethics. AI impacts healthcare, finance, and autonomous vehicles, etc., while ethical challenges on bias and privacy prompt governance efforts. Conclusion. Artificial intelligence has evolved from mythic automata to sophisticated algorithms influencing virtually every field. This journey, blending theoretical breakthroughs with practical innovations, continues to expand the frontiers of machine intelligence. The ongoing pursuit of general AI represents humanity's aspiration to replicate true intelligence, promising transformative impacts on our future societies and technologies. Thank you for your support. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help us bring you more great content. Your support means the world to us. Together, we can achieve amazing growth.